Hello guys, it's Opera.67, and today I will be showing you that something me and Alien, Mr. Alien, have been saving up for. It is really surprising, and I hope you guys like it. And it is really cool, I really promise, and I want to show you right now in 3, 2, and 1. Ah man, you ruined the fun. Anyways, here's what we bought. We bought a computer. Woohoo! Yeah. And I want to build it somewhere around this big area. Yeah, who should we ask? Hey, Mr. Alien, can you build somewhere in this really wide spot? Wow, that was really fast, Mr. Alien. Now I can take a walk outside and play Angry Birds on my phone. Okay, let's go to walk to the park. Bye, Mr. Alien.